just like 2010, like literally 2 minutes ago. Like,
Yeah, it was.
oh no, 8 minutes ago. Okay, it's 12:08 on January 1st of 2010, and we just celebrated on the living room. So
We did.
we were like all excited. So we decided to tell you about things that we love, like our iPod first generation and 3G. Okay.
We still have our old iPods.
fourth generation. Cell phones, MV2 and MV Touch.
Yeah.
And cameras, first camera. See, I'm gonna take a picture of you right now. Right now. You got this coming. If I can find the button. See? Oh, look at that. Okay, so, and we got our laptops.
Yeah.
And you know what?
Portable
Another thing
mouse.
we love, and you know another thing that we love? Oh my god. Oh yeah. A freaking awesome hat, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You're putting it on wrong, you idiot! I got this.
Yeah,
okay, so
that's
an
it.
awesome hat, okay? And then, oh yeah, another thing that we wanted to show you. Another thing that we wanted to do. Okay, so we're really bored right now, so we're gonna go, like, do something really mean to Sarah. Come on, let's go.
Her name is really sad.